Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money using Coinbase. First, create your account and complete identity verification. Then, explore the various earning opportunities available directly within the platform. You can engage in active trading, participate in staking programs, or even earn free crypto by learning about new digital assets. It's a straightforward process to begin building your crypto portfolio. One primary method is buying low and selling high. After funding your account, you can purchase cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Keep an eye on market movements and sell your assets when their value increases to secure a profit. Remember, market volatility means prices can change quickly, so always trade responsibly. Coinbase makes this process simple and secure. Staking is another excellent way to earn passive income. By holding certain cryptocurrencies, you can commit them to support the network and receive rewards in return. Annual percentage yields often range from 2% to 10%, depending on the asset. This process helps secure the blockchain and provides you with regular earnings. You can unstake your assets whenever you choose. Finally, Coinbase offers a Learn and Earn program. You can watch short educational videos and answer simple quizzes about various cryptocurrencies. For each completed lesson, you'll receive a small amount of that specific crypto, typically between $1 and $5. It's a fantastic, risk-free way to learn about new projects and accumulate different tokens without any initial investment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.